Just want to make a quick video about the California car duster. You know, I literally just wiped this thing off yesterday with a quick detailer. Took it to the park, got some footage. The truck all cleaned up. You know, brought it back home. Had it sitting outside for maybe a couple hours. Pulled it back in the garage, been in the garage. I mean, hasn't even been 24 hours since I wiped this thing off and then sat in the garage all night. I mean, look at all this dust on here. So, I mean, to me, that's pretty awesome. This is a really quick way to get that layer of dust off of there. And I've said it a bunch of times before, and I'm sure people are going to leave comments and cry about how it scratches the paint. It's like, well, does it look scratched to you? I mean, and I'll admit, I mean, I'm not denying that this thing is not capable of scratching your paint. I'm sure it can. But the other thing I find funny about a lot of videos on YouTube, people act like scratching paint is like literally the end of the world. It's like, dude, any scratch that this thing's gonna put in there, I could easily get out with a cleaner wax. It's really not a big issue. So, and I mean, this is probably the most common problem you're gonna have once you get your car detailed. You know, especially someone who keeps it in a garage. You know, it's gonna get dusty just sitting in the garage. And then a lot of times even keeping it outside, you know, you'll get pollen in the air or whatever, and it's like the vehicle's not really dirty, it just got a layer of dust on it. So, you know, I just wanted to show you how quick and easy that is to use. And then, I mean, it's up to you. If you're one of those people that thinks it's gonna scratch your paint and you hate it, you know, then obviously don't use it. But if you're one of those people that wants a quick solution to getting dust off your vehicle, you know, go ahead and pick one up. They're pretty awesome. I mean, I use it on my Lincoln all the time. So, I mean, my Lincoln looks pretty good, so I don't know, it's one of those things, people like to cry about it, but at the end of the day, you know, if that's what you're looking to do, if you want to get the dust off there, yeah, you could bust out the hose and rinse it off and dry it, but you could also just use this thing. So it's really up to you. But yeah, pretty quick and easy, and then you can just take this thing off of here. The brush part comes off and you can just wash it, clean it up. So pretty awesome product. Alright guys, like I said, just wanted to show you that real quick. Lightning's looking pretty good. It's a little dusty, so we'll get it cleaned up. Alright guys, see you in the next one.